Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox coming at you with another wonderful, awesome weight loss video for you today. Now, this is a wonderful evening weight loss drink. And you steep this from the morning. So it's so simple. You get up every day and this is what you would make. Now, if you don't have 100%, and I mean 100% juiced apples, this would be an okay substitution for it. The Mott's apple juice. It claims no sugar added, but we know better. But you can use this as a wonderful substitute if you don't have anything that's naturally juiced from the apples. But you can use this wonderful apple juice. Also, we're going to be using a lemon, a full lemon, and some sprigs of our mint leaves. Now, you're wondering, what are you talking about? How is that going to help me to lose weight? Well, let me show you how, okay? You're also going to need a pitcher. Because like I said, we're not cooking this, we're not juicing this, we are infusing it. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to measure and add into your pitcher, mason jar, whatever, 1 liter of apple juice. Okay? We're going to pop that in our pitcher. Next, you're going to take your mint leaves, pop them in there. Okay. Mint leaves, it's a wonderful herb for digestion. It's filled with antioxidants. Okay. And you just put that in there. Next is our lemons. Now, I want to juice this first. So, just going to cut this in half and juice it into the pitcher. Alright, let me do this first. It might go all over the place. Okay, and then you're just going to add that to your apple juice. Now lastly, what I want to do is take my lemons and just slice them up. Okay. Okay, now you're just going to take your lemons and pop them in there as well. And there you have it, you guys. Your wonderful weight loss drink. Now you're going to steep this in the refrigerator all day. Okay, you prepare this early in the morning and you leave it in the refrigerator. And what you're going to do is at night before bed, you're going to consume this whole entire pitcher. So you drink this whole entire pitcher before going to bed. Alright? And I really don't want to hear y'all ask me, that whole pitcher? Yes, the whole pitcher. Not part of it, all of it. Okay? You will notice a change in your stomach area. You will see yourself slimming down. You will see your body dropping that weight. Simple, simple, simple. Alright? If you want to use 2 lemons, you're welcome to use 2. The more lemons, the better, more powerful this is. Alright? So like I said, leave it in your refrigerator. Let it steep for all day. Prepare this early in the morning. Consume this right before bed. And do this every day. Thank you so much for joining me again on this wonderful video for weight loss. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. If you want to see more wonderful ideas for your journey, thumbs up this video, hit that like button, and also turn your notifications on and turn it on to all, so this way you will not miss another one of these wonderful weight loss videos. And don't forget to check my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will see hair care, skincare, fashion hauls, and family challenges on that channel as well. Don't forget, you guys, your big sis loves you, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvetlox introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.